And the first one is called Maguta because it was the first one that came up with when they were developing the idea. This was my postdoc, Miguel, and a PhD student, Uta. So the font is kind of named after them. And that's a map, a dithered map that is actually fat fonts. There's another detail of it. And this is something that's ideal for these big wall displays because when you walk up, the data is right there. And when you walk back, you have the geography that you want to see. And fat fonts are a real thing. Fatfonts.org exists. You can download them. You can use them in Word yourself. They're actual fonts. So presentation. Need to keep an eye on this time business here and go a bit faster. So presentation, I was going to talk to you about undistort lens, partly because some of you will remember when I did my PhD here and I was all doing distorting lenses, and maybe that there's been a whole bunch of arguments in the community about whether distortion is good or not good. And the cool thing about undistort is it's algorithmically agnostic. It doesn't mind what algorithm you use because all of our algorithms operate in geometry space and undistort operates in image space. So it can go over top any distorted image you happen to have. So, you know, it can undistort as it goes around the side of the world, or, you know, different types of map projections, as well as different types of fisheyes, because it's operating. And actually I think that's a super interesting space to work on, the juxtaposition of geometry algorithms and image algorithms, because they don't interfere with each other. They can both operate. Maybe I won't show you all of these, but one of the things that we've been doing in trying to actually bring this personal is to actually, you know, to